Deakins is a national labor and employment boutique. We help employers defend themselves against litigation when it arises, and we help you limit your liability from application determination phase of the employment relationship by providing counseling in things like immigration, hiring, employee retirement, income and security benefits, occupational safety, litigation cases when they happen, and counseling employers on the day-to-day decisions that they should make to keep their employees safe and their workplace safe from liability.
Wow. No, but that's very important.
And how many attorneys are in the firm?
530.
How many partners?
We've got about 160, although we keep adding. We're growing laterally.
Nice.
We've got over 40 offices from LA to Boston.
Wow.
And you're in one Boston place.
We're in one Boston place, right
Nice,
downtown.
Nice building.
Corner of,
downstairs in the lobby.
Washington
Yes.
and State.
Absolutely.
Right.
We know your geography.
I actually had an office there back in the early 80s with Arthur Young, who now is Ernst & Young.
Did you pay for the office, Rick?
No, I was actually gainfully employed for a short time. That was my last real job.
30 years ago.
30 years ago. So what are the major issues that you see out there, Danny, in the labor front?
We see lots of different issues on a day-to-day basis depending upon what's happening both with the legislature and in the courts at any given time. Lately we've seen a lot of different changes in terms of classifying employees, whether they should be independent contractors or they should be classified as employees. We see changes in the immigration regulations on a day-to-day basis. Employee benefits is a constantly changing field, and it's something that employers need to be attentive to when they're looking at things on a day-to-day basis. And then in litigation, we see employees who leave one firm and go to another, so there's non-competition implications to that. Sometimes we're in the position of trying to keep an employee from leaving. Sometimes we're in the position of bringing in the new employee and helping the employer defend against that. We see the range of discrimination claims, from sex harassment to race discrimination to age and gender and pregnancy and marital status. Many, many different types of claims that show up in the courts on a regular basis.
Yeah, so you guys